Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Chef Din and today I'm going to cook dinner. I'm going to cook it within 1 hour. So I'm going to cook a meat vindaloo, kind of buna type, a Tarka Dall and a boiled rice. I'm going to have all the recipes in the description page so you can cook this yourself and follow the recipes to get good results. But I haven't got any more garlic and ginger paste, I've run out, so I'm going to make some quickly just for this curry. So what I'm doing here is I've got 50% of garlic and 50% of ginger, and I'm chopping it really fine with the knife. Then with the back of the knife I'm pulling towards me. I'm going to repeat this process a few times and you'll find that the garlic will become like a paste, and this is the best way to do a garlic paste without getting the mixer out. So try this method, it's very easy. You don't need anything else, just the back of the knife, just pull it towards you. Do this, repeat it a few times and you've got your garlic and ginger paste nice and smooth as well. So once we've got this done, we're going to put first we're going to put our meat dish on. This takes the longest time, and then we're going to put the lentil, and then we're going to put the rice. You do it in sequence, so the one what takes the longest, you do that first, and then so on down the scale. And once we get everything cooking, then it's just a matter of letting it cook for about half an hour before we add the spices, and we're done. So let me show you today how easy it is to cook dinner for 2 people within an hour, because Juliana, my wife, she's gone out, so I'm gonna cook this quickly so it's ready for her when she comes back. So give the meat a good wash and first put that on, and then we'll put the lentils on, and then we'll put the rice on. The key is cooking a meal is to be organized, basically. Get all your spices out, get everything ready, and then start cooking. If you're organized, it's not difficult at all. It's just the key is to be organize everything ready, and then just cook it. And it's no stress. It's not time consuming. It's very simple. You can cook a curry, a rice, and a lentil, and some salad as well within the hour. So there's no excuse not to cook at home. But basically, you need to learn how to cook, and that is the key. And I can show you how. That's not difficult. I have lots of recipes. At home, we normally cook traditional curries. We don't cook the restaurant style curries at home because we like more flavour in our curries. And the restaurant curries were created for the English palate, really, and not for the Indians, basically. We like our curries more flavoursome and more spicy as well sometimes. So we always cook traditional curries at home. We never cook restaurant style curries, and that's it. If you want to cook restaurant style curries, I have lots of recipes as well, because that was my expertise, basically. That's what I did for a living, and I did it for 40 years, and I really enjoyed it, and I know my customers did. And now that I've started this channel, they can recreate some of the dishes because I'm no longer in business. So I've got customers what have been using me for 30, 40 years. So I have lots of regular customers, or did have. So be organized. That is the key. So I'm showing you how. Just look how I do it, and you'll see how easy it is. In the lentils, we're going to put some onion. We've put the turmeric and the bay leaf, and we're going to put some onion and some tomato as well, and get that cooking away. So we're halfway there now. So basically, we've got everything on nearly. We've just got the boiled rice to put on, and then just wait for it to just do its business, as they say. There's the onion going in as well for the meat as well. So everything's in there now. So once it starts cooking away, we're just going to bring it to the boil, and then basically turn it down and let it simmer away for 30 minutes before we add the spices. That's the onions gone into the lentils as well. So that's two dishes going to be cooking away. And what we're doing is breaking down the onions. Cook that for another 15 minutes, then put the spices. Now this is going to be like a boona vindaloo, a little bit dry. What we're going to do is just put some water, make sure it's boiling hot water. And that should be 20 minutes, that should be done. So it's going to take us just under 1 hour to cook all these dishes. Water in there. Just bring it to the boil, then go turn it down and just let it simmer for 20 minutes and that's done. Coriander and the lentils like so. Just going to temper it with this garlic and oil and cumin and mustard seed. Remember, you mustn't get the garlic to burn, otherwise it becomes bitter. So, nice to lightly brown. Perfect. You can use ghee with this, or oil, entirely up to you. Right. As you can see. We'll just cook that for another 10 minutes. Lid on it, 10 minutes, put timer. That's done. That's done. Rice, we have 3 minutes left, that's done. Now we can put away our spices. Right, that's taken us just over 55 minutes, so it hasn't taken us a full hour. So there you go, that's my take on cooking dinner, and we've got a lovely lentil there and a meat dish and a rice dish. So enjoy my recipes and let me know what you think and how long it took you to cook this dinner. Bye for now, and hope to see you next time on one of my videos.